And push the reset button on the back, the paper clip. Threw some numbers up on the screen. There we go, starting over. Okay, so it's going to flash like that till there's some data. I'm going to let my neighbors test their house. I ran the Everything's Radon reader for about 3 days at 0.32 and short-term average in this day of 0. It's good reading. Okay, pull the battery tab, a little plastic tab in the back, get the batteries loaded and engaged, wait 24 hours, place it in the lowest livable area, and leave unattended for 30 days, which I did. When I tried to get the app running, I reset it so it doesn't look like it's been running for 30 days. On the readout, you have a short-term average, shows a short-term average measurement for the past 24 hours, 0.45, or 7 days updated daily. So the days will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have a low battery indicator right at the top. And you have the long-term average, shows a long-term average measurement for up to 1 year, updated once per day. Oh, it's 0.45, it's the same. The measurement indicator will blink when the instrument is active. Okay, so I guess that's up here, this little thing that's blinking. There's a USB port. Where is that? Yeah, right here on the side. That's for manufacturer use. I guess they upload the firmware. There's a reset button, which will reset it to factory defaults, and then there's a mode button. The mode button, it says, for use when generating a report at airthings.com. Well, the question is, how does this get its data to airthings.com? It's either going to be Wi-Fi, which there isn't a Wi-Fi in here because it didn't ask me to connect anything, or it's Bluetooth. So I'll show you what happened when I tried to get the app running, or tell you about it. And then if you press the mode button, you'll see a little code. You get a toothpick or a little safe paper clip, and it shows you it's on day 4. And if you push it again, it gives you a code. Well, that code you're supposed to use at the website to generate some report. I don't know how the data gets up to the website. That's 3 AAA batteries. And real quickly, the range is higher than 4. It's poor. Contact a radon mitigation professional. It's between 2 and 4, it's fair, and less than 2, and I'm 0.45. No action needed. Continue monitoring.